Hello children, today we will learn a new topic, percentage. In this session we will discuss the meaning of percentage, how to convert fraction to percentage, percentage to fraction, how to convert a decimal to fraction, decimal to percentage, percentage to decimal, how to find the percentage of a number, application of percentage. So many things we will discuss, but after a short break. Welcome once again children. So before that we are going to discuss this percentage. So I am writing here percentage. The topic percent. So children, from this term percent, it's divided into two parts. Means this term it's coming from two Latin word, that is per cent. Per means every. Cent means century or 100. Every 100. Per every 100. How to apply this term in our day-to-day life, in our mathematical term, that we are going to discuss. So children, let me explain you in a better way with the diagrams. You can see over here children, I had taken 100 squares. Clear? Out of 100 square, I had selected 4 colors. 4 attractive colors. First I had taken yellow color, that is 20 squares. Second I had taken blue color, that is 40 squares. Next one I had taken purple color, 28 squares. And fourth one I had taken pink color, that is 12 squares. Okay, so we had selected into 4 different parts and each square having the equal dimensions. Dimensions, do you understand children? Having length and breadth having same centimeter. Okay, so we had taken into 4 different colors so that we can easily explain how to represent these colors or the different number of squares into a percentage form. Okay, so first of all let me explain. First we need to convert into the fractional form. So children, today here we will explain how to convert a fraction to decimal or fraction to percentage. So many things we will discuss. Okay. So first of all I had taken yellow color 20 parts. So how to represent 20 minutes means out of 100 I had taken 20. So how to represent this? 20 by 100 or 20 upon 100 I had selected for yellow color. Clear? Blue color I had selected 40 means 40 upon 100 as your blue color. Clear? Purple color 28, that is 20 upon 100, and pink color 12 means you can see 12 by 100. So we had converted into fraction. You got your fraction? 20 upon 100 means 20 is numerator, 100 is denominator. Clear? This is called your fraction. Then how to change this? 28 by 100 means we got here in the form of percentage. Percentage means out of 100, per 100. Clear? So the yellow color we will represent as your percentage, that is 20 by 100 means 20%. Okay? Then blue color 40 by 100 means it's coming 40%. 40% of your square is your blue color. Then purple 28 by 100 means 28% and pink is your 12%. All total you will find 100 squares. Clear? So now we will discuss how to convert a fraction to percentage. So first of all 20 by 100. 20 upon 100 it's your 20%. Okay, out of 100 means it is represent in your percentage and this symbol represent as your percentage. The number followed by the percentage symbol. This is symbol of percent. Next, this is your yellow color. Next one is your 40 by 100, that is 40%. Next one 28 by 100 equal to 28%. Next 12 by 100, that is 12%. This is your pink color. This is your purple color, this is your blue color. Okay. So now we will discuss, suppose this 20% is given and we need to convert into fraction. Means from percentage to fraction, how to change this one? So the thing you have to remember only, you will what? You will do 20% means 20 by 100. That means percentage to fraction, you need to divide by 100. The number divided by 100, you will get here what? 20 by 100 in fractional form, and then we need to simplify here. Okay, both are divisible by 20, 21s are 25s are. Clear? Now we changed percentage to fraction. One more example, suppose 25%. Okay, so what to do? This number divided by 100, 25 by 100. We got your fraction, then simplify it. It's coming 1 by 4. This is the thing you need to remember when we are changing percentage to fraction, we need to divide by 100. Clear? Then come to, we will express how to change fraction to percentage. How to change fraction to percentage. Suppose one question given 9 by 25. Children, you can see here, this is a fraction, this is numerator, this is denominator, and we are going to change into what? Fraction, change into percentage or decimal. Then what is the formula? You need to multiply by 100. Clear? Then you can simplify here. 25 1s are, 25 4s are, then 9 4s are 36. Clear? Then question was in fraction, we got here percentage. Clear? Then fraction to percentage, you will multiply by 100. Percentage to fraction, you will divide by 100. Only the simple tricks you need to remember. Rest all you can simplify all the problems related to this. Then how to change? Suppose one question given 0.6. You can see here, this is a decimal number. This part is your whole part. This part is your fractional part. 0.6, and you will convert into percentage. How to do decimal to percentage? Here also the same thing. 0.6 multiply by 100, then all total in percentage, because we are changing decimal to percentage. Clear? 0.6 multiply by 100. When we are multiplying by 100, what to do? This point will shift towards right. How many place? According to number of 0, 2 place it will shift. So we will get here 60%, or you can do here 0.6 means 6 by 10 multiply by 100. 10 and 100 you can simplify here. 10, then 6 into 10, it's coming 60%. Which method you can apply? Whatever you can, feeling comfortable you can apply. But the process is that when we are changing decimal to percentage, we need to multiply by 100. Clear? Then the thing we will discuss, how to find the percentage of a number. Okay. One question, let me explain you. Suppose one question is that, what is the number whose 12% is 54? This is one question. What is the number? Number is the question you need to find out. Whose 12% is 54. So 12% of a number. Number you don't know. This part is question mark. Clear? Equal to 54. 12% of a number. So of means what? You need to multiply here. So 12% as you know, 12 by 100. Clear? Multiplied by required number, question mark, equal to 54. Then how to find out this required number? So write here, required number equal to 54 multiplied by 12 by 100. Then 54 divided by 12 by 100 equal to 54 multiplied by 100 by 12. Then after simplification you will get here 450. This is your required number, that is your 450. So the number is 450 whose 12% is 54. Okay. So in this way you will apply the percentage to get your number, or the implementation. How to implement the percentage in your mathematical calculation. One more question let me explain, children, that is write 20 meter as a percentage of a kilometer. This is one question, children. Write 20 meter as a percentage of a kilometer. As you know, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Yes or no? So 20 meter equal to 25,000 kilometer of a kilometer. Then what to do? 20 by 1000 multiply by 100, because we are going to find out the percentage form, so you need to multiply here. So after simplification you will find over here how much? 10, that is your 2%. So 20 meter is 2% of 1 kilometer. Clear, children? So children, in this way you need to apply the percentage to find the answer. Clear? So this is all about your percentage. Next class we will proceed with another topic.